Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Bihani and we are continuing our mathematics session. Today in this session we will see allied angle formulae. These are the very important formulae concerned with trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. Do you know every trigonometric ratio or function that has domain, that has period, that has range, like sine theta and cos theta, they lie between minus 1 to plus 1 value, but tan theta, cot theta can take any real value, and sec theta, cosec theta never lie between minus 1 to plus 1. But now we deal with allied angles. What is mean by allied angles? If theta is given any angle, then the such trigonometric ratios for the angles, and those angles are, if theta is given angle, then 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta and 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta, they are called as 360 plus theta and 360 minus theta also, they are called as allied angles. So allied angle with theta has the difference of theta and that angle is either 90 degree or its multiple, that called as allied angle. We know the radian and degree measure of an angle, and perhaps you remember pi radian equal to 180 degree. 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Therefore, pi by 2 will be 90 degree. Pi by 3 will be 60 degree. 2 pi will be 360 degree, something like that. In the first quadrant, what are the angles that we are considering? They are theta, 90 minus theta, and after one rotation 360 plus theta. In second quadrant, the angles are 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. In third quadrant, we have such angles 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. In last quadrant, that is fourth quadrant, we have such angles minus theta, 360 minus theta and 270 plus theta. So these are the angles in various quadrant they come. Now we deal with in which quadrant which trigonometric ratios or functions are positive values. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, etc. In the first quadrant they are positive. In second quadrant, only sin theta and its reciprocal, that is cosec theta, are positive. In third quadrant, the value of tan theta and cot theta positive, while in last quadrant cos theta and its reciprocal, that is sec theta, are positive. Now we deal with trigonometric ratios or those allied angle formulae for the such angles just denoted by 90 minus theta means pi by 2 minus theta, 90 plus theta means pi by 2 plus theta, dash 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 so on up to 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta means 2 pi minus theta and 2 pi plus theta. Now here is a chart for you to know what are these formulae. What are the allied angle formulae? They are in front of you. These are containing the columns for trigonometric ratios minus theta, then theta, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. Now 90 minus theta, that is pi by 2, 90 plus theta, that is pi by 2 plus theta, 180 minus theta, that is pi minus theta, 180 plus theta, pi plus theta, and so on. As you see in the chart there, those columns are for various allied angles. Now there will be some trick to know how to remember these formulae. What is the technique? What is the trick? What is the method to remember such allied angle formulae? So I will give you how to remember, that is trick to remember. Can you observe in that formulae there is only change sine to cos in some column or cos to sine. There is change tan to cot or cot to tan in some column, and there is some change in column sec to cosec or cosec to sec. There is no sign change to tan or cot or sec or cosec. there is no change other than this conversion. That is, sine change to cos and cos change to sine, tan change to cot and cot change to tan, sec change to cosec and cosec change to sec. Now when this happen only for these two columns, 90 and 270. Means whenever there is 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta, then there will be sine change to cos and like this tan change to cot, so on. But for 270 also, 270 plus theta and 270 minus theta, such changes will occur. Can you see in that chart given to you? Now it is no change in the remaining columns. So you come to know only for 90 and 270 the changes occur. And what the changes occur? Sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, sec to cosec, and vice versa, cosec to sec. Now how to remember their signs, plus or minus? You can remember the signs by this our diagram ASTC. In first quadrant if that come, positive. In second quadrant only sine and cosec positive. In third quadrant only tan and cot positive. In the last, that is cos and sec positive. We'll take at least few examples to understand. Suppose if you want sine 90 plus theta, because it is 90, sine change to cos means it will be cos theta, and 90 plus theta in second quadrant, that sign is positive, it is the value of sine, so that will be positive. Take another example. If you want tan of 180 minus theta, means it is that same as tan of pi minus theta. Because 180, tan will remain tan, it will not change to cot, because only change occur to 90 and 270 degree. Okay, for this tan 180 minus theta remain tan theta, but 180 minus theta come in second quadrant, therefore the value of tan will be negative, that is minus tan theta. We'll take one more example. Suppose you want to find sec of 270 plus theta. Because 270, sec will change to cosec theta, and because 270 plus theta comes in fourth quadrant, sec theta and cosec theta are positive. This is value of sec theta we are finding, so that will be positive. Means sec 270 plus theta, that comes as cosec theta. We'll take one more last example. Suppose if somebody want to find the value of sine of 390 degree, sine 390 degree, that is application now, sine 360 plus 30. This is like sine 360 plus theta. For 360, sine changes to cos? No, it is not changes to cos, because only change for 90 and 270, so that will remain sine 30. Now decide it is plus or minus. 360 plus theta after one rotation comes in first quadrant, so that will be positive value. So sine 390 at same as sine 30, and we know sine 30 value 1 by 2. So that is the importance of allied angle formulae, how to use them and how to remember those formulae. They are very important in trigonometry section. In many of the derivations in physics also, these allied angle formulae required, as well as in the chapter derivatives and integration of standard 11 and 12, many times we require to use these allied angle formulae. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell button icon to get our latest video notifications. Thanks.